flooding. I was quite disappointed last video that I couldn't get to the water. So let's go to the beach today. It's only a small walk to the beach. I just don't like taking the car all the way there. You never know what the road is like.
My thoughts have never been clearer. I see what you're doing to me now. They fooled us. Deep down I probably knew that.
I can see the little beach from here where we were last week. Way over there. At the end of last year they made another road to the beach. Don't know why. But there's a beautiful hiking path. You can see the marker on the tree there. It brings you all the way down. You just end up on this road on the far below. So if you're on foot, take that one. It's well marked.
Think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one's perfect.
Well, it stops here. I wonder, who made this road? Does the council have plans with this area? Is it privately owned? And it's a nice spot for camping or something. But over there's the beach. It would be perfect. A little hard to get to. I can see the water. Ready? Row! One hell of a beach. It's been a long time that I was here. Dalyans Iztuzu beach. Totally deserted. Nobody's allowed on. So sad. But this one's open and I have it all to myself. Just got all tracks on it. I think they've been here with quads. I mean, who would do that? We don't all have to be animal protectors, but even an idiot can know that this is the time that the turtles lay their eggs. And I mean, these big sea turtles, they have a hard time as it is. Don't disrupt it with ATVs or whatever they are. These things frustrate me. Track for a turtle. How neat is that? Must have gone quite away.
Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold. They made us lose our focus.
Yep. God, I hope the foxes won't dig it up. But there's another track. But those tracks are all from an ATV or a tractor or something or a car. How dare they? Normally, this time of day, there's a ton of boats coming out of Dalyans, all through that hole there. Nothing. It's so weird. Even the jetty for the big boats from Marmaris, not there. They come in the summer every day. I guess not this year. You can see why this beach is not of any interest to boat people. They can't get here. It's all so shallow. There's another bank there. Good.
Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold. With you by my side, I'm not worried. I think we'll be able to find ourselves again. Blank expressions, empty words. Nothing can keep me away from you. I think I will be holding on to.
Whoa. I want to get past here. No, into you can't. Sometimes. Look. That's why I didn't bring Timo. Because he can't do this. He'll be washed away. It's getting wet. Made it. Even here are traces. You wouldn't expect it with the beach being so narrow. Where did they go? Don't even know if it laid eggs. Maybe they just crawl up, think, nah, carry on. Life is good again. Absolutely nobody. No boats, no people, no sunbeds, nothing. Seagulls and turtles. They'll be happy.
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
Don't know about you, but this brings always the kid out in me. And nobody goes here, so you can normally find nice shells. Of course now nothing. Now I want to show you there's absolutely nothing.
In a world where hope grows thin, you've completed me, and the story left within tells me how to breathe. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
feels so good to be on the beach again. And another week, and then everybody can go to the beach again. And it'll be full there, I'm sure. I'll be walking the Licky away then. That would be good too.
Been through it all. You're the one who understands.
Well, I want to sit on a rock over there and enjoy the view for a bit. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.